Do you like Baseball 9? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get rich in the Baseball 9 using a promo code, which I found in this video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's get straight into the tutorial, guys. So what you want to do is go ahead and follow my video. So just go ahead and go to this website right here. Let me just show you guys the website. So the website is called Hex Mods. So let me just type it in. So once you're on the site, guys, just go to the search bar and put in the thing. So we'll just wait for this to load. So now we're just gonna go over here and just type in Baseball 9, and as you can see, it's gonna say Baseball 9 like free stuff or whatever. So just press on it and then press this button right here and just let it load. So I'll see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool and it totally works. So yeah, if this video works, you guys be sure to go ahead and share it. I'll see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super cool and it totally works, guys. So yeah, if this video works, you guys be sure to go ahead and share it. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty wild. You just got to fill out the thing that says activating reward. But yeah, it's pretty cool. So it says thanks, email confirmed, time to get excited. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty cool. So yeah, I mean, peace out, guys. This is super crazy and it totally works. So yeah, you just gotta fill this all out and then you're good to go. So yeah, peace out, bro. This is super insane, as you can see right here. So yeah, I'm not rude or anything, but why would you play normal Baseball 9 when you can just get the promo code and get a ton of resources, right? So I'll see you guys later and subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, totally works. So yeah, peace out. This is super insane. And yeah, I mean, if this video works, you guys be sure to go ahead and share it. I'll see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe and get the word out, bro, and peace out.